Good morning, everybody. So this video is about Euro Pound. Euro Pound has great potential on the upside, and I'm looking to get long Euro Pound as soon as I can. So we have two targets on it. Well, there is more than only two targets, but the first one would be here around the 84.10 or something like this blue line there. And the second, which is the longer term big target, is about 550 pips on the upside, is this one here, very nice one at 0.88 600 area. So I look for that, and that's why I'm getting long as soon as I can. So in this chart, you see all the inside level we have on the euro pound. You see how well they have been working. Look, all those dotted line here are inside level. Those inside level are very interesting to get long if you are not to reload. So originally, we had only this yellow consolidation. So that was the beginning when we went short first here. Then I wrote that we could get some flush, not could, that we would get some flush here. And that's exactly what happened. So we had the first flush here of stops. We took the weak stops there, which is a good signal because it means we will go up, and when that will move, it will move very nicely, like Euro Pound is doing often. So we took those stops here, then we went up again. I banked in this area some, then I was stopped out on what I had left, and we had this flush again. Very nice flush. So, sorry, very nice flush. And I like that because that's typical of the price action when market makers are getting ready. They want the move, they will do the move, but they want to be alone or to have the boat unloaded, as I say. So here they flush stops, went a little bit, came back hard just to scare more people, like we had on Euro USD in the last day. Same thing here. Here we flush again, boom, we went up a little bit, come back on this level we have here. Perhaps it can be for me a good place where I could took a little bit more, which is what I will do probably. I'm just looking at it. And then I think after this flush, we will run a little bit more, perhaps still there. And then we could come back. So that's all what is about this video. If any flush here can be the start of a very big, well, very big, a nice big move, 500 or even more, 1,000 pips on the upside. But at least 500, that's what I think, and the first target is here. Even this one is not bad. It's like 90 pips, which is always good to bank. So we can see a move on the upside anytime here, and we can see an acceleration on the upside anytime. That's what I see. If we have the chance to see a little bit more of flush in this area or that area here, that would be just a gift, in my opinion. So if we had those other fib I have there, you see here how this one is the confluence of fib. We had this 83, 60, 69, and you have this black one at the same place. So it's an important area. Here we have two of them there. So if we go down, you have this first level here. I will post the charts with and without the black fibs. So you use the one you want. You have the level on the side, the exact number of the fib. You see how well they have been unfolding. Look, this one here, right to the pip. Here again, here again. So they are quite accurate. And that's what I like to do. Of course, you can use your tools to know if you are oversold or whatever you want. That's not what I use. I don't use RSI and things like this, but it's up to everybody. What is important is to know where to look at and what to look for. Here we look for a bounce, a nice bounce of 90 pips at least here, perhaps another pullback and flush lower. and the final target of the first big step of this trade would be here about 550 pips on the upside. So I'm getting long whenever I can, whenever I am on one of those levels, and at the same time, whenever I have a signal coming from my indicators here, which is this green signal together with the crossover. Okay, so I wish you a nice trade on the euro pound, and I think we should be able to see a move soon, especially if we link that to the view we have on the euro USD, which would be a euro strengthening in the next days or week.